Introducing the 2023 Toyota RAV4. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 15,000 miles on the odometer. This can-do RAV4 puts fun, refined comfort, and capability into your daily drive. It delivers a solid, stable ride, spacious and convenient cabin, the latest infotainment and driver assistance tech, agile handling, and chiseled good looks. You'll love its clever cargo storage solutions, premium feel, and must-have fuel efficiency. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, all-wheel drive, satellite radio, backup camera, lane keeping assist, steering wheel audio controls, electronic stability control, alarm, Bluetooth connection, rear spoiler. You deserve to get everything you want in your next vehicle. This RAV4 ticks all the boxes: safe, efficient, comfortable, capable, and big on style. You also deserve the best service the industry has.